In this video, we are going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp messages using Make.com and Growmessage. Let's begin. Make.com is an online platform designed to streamline and automate workflows for businesses and individuals. Growmessage is an WhatsApp messaging platform that allows you to integrate using webhooks and send messages using API. Let's head over to Make.com. We will create a simple workflow that will look like this. We will then create a lead automatically in ZOHO CRM and send a confirmation to the customer. Click on Create a Scenario. Now select Webhooks. Click on Custom Webhook. Then add a webhook. Put a label for the webhook, then save. You will then get a webhook link that we need to connect to Growmessage. Click on Copy Address to Clipboard. Then head over to Growmessage Settings API section, then paste the URL and save. We are now going to test the connection by sending a message to the number connected in Growmessage. If you need help on connecting a WhatsApp number at Growmessage, you can watch this video. Once the connection is successful, we are going to connect it to ZOHO CRM to add the lead automatically. Then add a webhook, put a label for the webhook, then save. Let's continue. Select ZOHO then Upsert Lead. This will either create a new lead or update an existing one. Then select the fields coming from the webhook and add it to each field in ZOHO. Name field in webhook, we will add it in last name. Then from field in webhook, which contains the customer's phone number, will be added in phone field in ZOHO. Then let's select the source and lead status to complete the integration. Click on OK. We will now create a flow that will send a confirmation message upon adding the lead to ZOHO CRM. Let's head back to Growmessage to get the API URL. Make sure to generate a token before copying the API URL. Paste the URL in Make.com and make sure that the method is set to post. Now we need to add the phone number of the customer and the message we want to send. Select the body type as raw, then content type as JSON. Now head back to Growmessage and click on API documentation. Link is in the description. Copy the format in the documentation and paste it back to Make.com. Delete the rest of data and keep phone number and message body only. Add the message in the body with your own message. You can also send templates as required. You can refer to the API documentation. Add the number from the webhook in phone number. Make sure it is between the quotes. Then add your own message. Finally, let's test the whole workflow by sending a WhatsApp message. This is the end of our tutorial. On our next video, we are going to create chatbot with follow-up systems. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.